So guys, bought this Kubota m4950. Guy put a brand new hydraulic pump on it and new injection pump, new water pump. Did quite a bit of work on it. Says it was losing compression, or he couldn't get a decent compression test on it. Loaned it to his neighbor. It died, and then they decided to hit it with a bunch of ether. So now we get the party to begin and bring this whole thing back to life. It's got a front end loader. It's out there behind the shop. It's kind of ugly in here right now. I got the injector lines laying there and all that crap, but I need a seat. But man, this tractor's only got, let's see if you can see that, 1,727 hours on it. Anyway, I'll update as I go. I'm about to remove this head here and see what happens.